Hello, today I will tell you how to make sure that your generated images are not seen by other users. In public mode, as you can see, in the newbie chat you can see the work of other users. You can also open them in a browser and download them to your computer. If you want to make sure that your pictures are only visible to you and no one has access to them, Midjourney has a feature called Stealth Mode. Before we continue, I ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel, then you will receive the necessary information about this and other neural networks. So, we go to their website. Here you can find information on this issue. It says here, subscribers to the Pro plan have access to Stealth Mode to prevent their images from being visible to others on the Midjourney website. Next you can see the commands that allow you to switch between modes. But it is important to note that images created in public channels are always visible to other users, even when using Stealth Mode. To prevent others from seeing the image you create in Stealth Mode, create images in private messages or on a private Discord server. Now you know that in order to make your pictures private, you definitely need to buy a Pro plan. I hope I was useful to you. See you soon.